Hello dear students. In the last lecture we derived the formula of the series combination of resistances. In the present lecture we derive the formula of the parallel combination of resistances. Dear students, for the parallel combination we take four resistances such as these are resistance 1, these are resistance second R2, these are resistance third, and this one is resistance R4. In the parallel combination, students, these all the resistances are connected to the one common point and other with another common point. See it. Resistance R1, resistance R2, resistance R3, resistance R, this one resistance R2, this one resistance R3, and this one resistance R4, and all these four resistance have one common point A. Similarly, we make next common point B. In this way, resistances are connected in parallel combination. Now we complete the circuit putting switch S1, battery, in this way, dear students, these four resistances are connected in parallel combination. In the parallel combination, one thing is common. The potential difference is common for all resistances. The common potential difference is V. But the next one, the current I is divided in the four resistances according to the value of resistances. We consider current flow through the resistance R1 is I1. Through resistance R2, current is flowing I2. Through resistance R3, current is flowing R3. Similarly, we assume I4 current is passing through the resistance R4, and these all the currents again make the current I. So dear student, the current is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4, and consider it is equation number 1. Now we use Ohm's law for writing the potential difference and the relationship between current and resistances. It is V is equal to I1 and R1. So I1 is equal to V upon R1. Similarly, I2 is equal to V upon R2. I3 is equal to V upon R3, and I4 is equal to V upon R4. These are the values of I1, I2, I3 and I4. Similarly, I is equal to V upon R. Dear students, here the R is the equivalent resistance of these four combinations. Now we put the value of I1, I2, I3, I4 and I in equation number 1. If you put the values of I1, I2, I3, I4, then you have get the formula V upon V upon R is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3 and V upon R4, and R be the equivalent resistance of the combination of four resistance which are added in parallel. Now taking the V common from right hand side, you see clearly V in the bracket 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. Then cancelled out V from both sides. Now you get 1 upon R1 is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. This is the formula of the four resistances which are connected in parallel combination. Dear students, this formula for the four resistance, if you have only the two resistances, now you have take the formula 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. In the numerical problems, you have not need taking the four resistance. If you have only the two resistance, you use this formula 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. If you have three resistance, now you use the formula 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. According to the number of resistance available or given in the numerical problem, you have choose the number of resistance. In this way, you can add the resistance, and in this way you have derived the combination of the resistance which are connected in parallel combination. Okay, thank you students.